Hi, my name is Bailey, and today I'm going to talk about one of my favorite hobbies, which is catching lizards. I've been catching lizards since I was about 3 years old, and I do it because it's fun, and I catch them in my backyard. I usually find them around this planter and along the fence. Now, lizards do fall into my pool, however, I have caught them many times. And I actually saved one lizard and I gave it CPR, but not mouth to mouth because that's not sanitary. So this is basically how I catch them. I just move my hand slowly towards the lizard and then Okay, so this is how I catch lizards. I just have my hand and I slowly press my hand up against their backs. It does not hurt the lizard. It merely just immobilizes them for a quick second until I can pick them up. Just like this. They do squirm a lot, but they're not hurting themselves. They're just squirming because they're like, what's going on? There's a human. So that's basically what's happening right now. This one's name is Marley. All my lizards get names because what else am I gonna call them? Lizard? This is Bailey and Marley signing off.